Welcome everyone. Question: cosec theta plus cot theta upon cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosec theta cot theta. Here are three expressions to be proved. First expression is equal to second expression is equal to third expression. We may prove first expression is equal to second expression. Also, we may prove first expression is equal to third expression. Whatever may be, the question will be proved. See, extreme left writing cosec theta plus cot theta by minus cot theta. If we look at the middle term, cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, that is square of numerator. So, if we multiply numerator and denominator by cosec theta plus cot theta, numerator will be cosec theta plus cot theta whole square, which is middle term, and denominator will be cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta. There is a formula, that is memorize cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Obviously, this formula can be used. So, within bracket multiply denominator so numerator will be cosec theta plus cot theta whole square and denominator a minus b into a plus b. Use the formula a square minus b square formula. So already here is the formula written, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So finally this is 1 and we reduce this. So square proved. Now we will prove extreme right expression, that is 1 plus for this consider this expression, that is left hand side of this equation or this identity. So left hand side square. See, here is 3 terms. If we expand this, we will have 3 terms. So first expand this. Plus, as per formula, a plus b whole square. If we look at this expression, we have got 2 cosec theta cot theta here. Cot square theta, only 1 cot square theta. Here is no any cosec square theta. So we will use the formula. See, here once written cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We will write cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta as hence cot square theta plus cot square theta so hence proved. Hence therefore that is equal to hence proved. Thank you for watching this video.